When I first started my YouTube channel, I was shooting a lot of videos on my smartphone. So one of the first accessories that I bought was a smartphone gimbal or a stabilizer, the Zhiyun Smooth Q. Now fast forward many generations and the Zhiyun Smooth gimbal line has advanced quite a bit, and the latest version just came out. This is the Zhiyun Smooth 5S AI, and it offers a very unique feature that's not found on many other smartphone gimbals. But before I talk about that special feature, let me disclose that Zhiyun sent me this gimbal for me to test, but they didn't pay me to say anything. They also did not tell me what to say, and they're not reviewing this video before it gets published. So these are my honest opinions about this gimbal. So here are the basics of the Zhiyun Smooth 5S AI. It's a 3-axis gimbal that is almost exactly the same as the Smooth 5S. It looks the same, has the same 625 gram weight, and 300 gram payload. And it comes with an optional fill light, as well as a built-in fill light. But the Smooth 5S AI does have a slightly longer runtime of 26 hours versus 24 hours, and it only takes 3.5 hours to fully charge versus 4 hours on the non-AI version. There have also been a few internal changes in the gimbal, so the stabilization is supposed to be a little bit better than the Smooth 5S, and it shouldn't experience any overheating. So what is that unique feature that makes the Smooth 5S AI? It's an AI tracking module that attaches to the gimbal via a magnet. It can be placed facing forward or backward. And it allows for AI tracking without connecting the gimbal to a smartphone. Now until now, I've only seen a physical AI tracker on certain Hohem and Feiyutech gimbals. Some other gimbals do offer AI tracking via the smartphone app, but it can be a little inconvenient if you don't want to connect to the phone app. Having the magnetic tracker makes it seamless to film yourself from a distance, making it seem like there's a cameraman actually filming you when it's the gimbal doing it. Now, even though you don't have to connect the gimbal to the smartphone app to enable tracking, there is a big advantage if you do it. Within the StockCam app, you can now use hand gestures to enable commands. The OK sign enables face tracking, while the flat palm sign disables it. You can do the picture sign with both hands to enable custom composition tracking, and you can use the peace sign, or the double shaka sign, to take a photo in photo mode, or start and stop recording in video mode. I appreciate that these hand gestures are pretty universal. They're really similar to how other AI trackers and gesture controls operate on cameras like the Insta360 Ace Pro. So that is the main update to the Zhiyun Smooth 5S AI gimbal. If you're interested in it, you can learn more about it in the description below. There are certain packages, not all of them come with the AI module, and some actually come with a light module as well, and a carrying case. So there's 3 different packages at different price points. But you guys let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. And if you want to see an in-depth smartphone gimbal comparison guide between the original Smooth 5S as well as some other gimbals like the DJI OM6, the Insta360 Flow, and the Hohem M6, then I have a big gimbal comparison video that you can check out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.